Okay, let's be honest for a moment. How often do cravings take over even when you know you don't actually need that snack? That constant pull towards sugar and junk food is not just about willpower, and that's exactly what beats sugar and junk food addiction, control cravings, and reset. Your relationship with food helps you understand and overcome. This ebook approaches the problem in a realistic and honest way. It explains that cravings are not a personal failure but a result of how certain foods affect your brain and habits over time. One of the most powerful ideas is understanding how cravings actually work. Instead of feeling out of control, you learn how they build, peak, and fade. That awareness gives you the ability to pause and make a different choice. The guide also focuses on breaking the cycle. Many people go through repeated patterns of cravings, giving in, and then feeling frustrated. This ebook shows how to interrupt that loop using simple and practical strategies that fit into real life. Another important aspect is removing guilt. When you stop blaming yourself and start understanding the process, change becomes easier and more sustainable. It also helps you rebuild your relationship with food in a balanced way without extreme restrictions or unrealistic rules. This makes it a great choice for anyone who feels stuck in cravings, emotional eating, or constant snacking habits. If you're ready to take back control and feel more free around food, this ebook is a powerful place to start. You'll find the link in the description. Tap it now and discover how beat sugar and junk food addiction, control cravings, and reset your relationship with food can help you break the cycle and finally feel in control of your choices.